My name is Lance Frank. I'm a pelvic health physical therapist, and I live here in Atlanta, Georgia. I've been using SoftWave since about 2021. Training, I have a whole gym space down here. Most of the session we're upstairs treating, SoftWave included. Not a lot of people know that pelvic PTs exist, and now I have a tool that can amplify the help that I was already doing for people. It's kind of like pelvic PT on steroids. If I have this device and I have a patient that could benefit from it and I don't use it, I'm almost doing them a disservice by not offering it to them. There are certain conditions that come in where I'm like, I don't know how I would treat them if I didn't have a SoftWave device. I think that on a weekly basis. My time would be so much less effective if I didn't have a SoftWave device. And so it does unlock a whole new side of treatment, but it would just make my job so much more difficult if I didn't have it. It would probably take me 12 to 18 sessions with somebody I can now do in 6 because I can enhance it with the SoftWave device.